What is the area of the red region of the semicircle? Circle geometric theorem, line construction, properties of a triangle. Area of a triangle and area of a sector are used to solve this question. Solution. Locate the center O and join line OQ. From isosceles triangle APQ. Angle PQ equals 30 degrees. It is because base angles of isosceles triangle are equals. This implies that angle APQ equals 120 degrees. It follows that reflex angle AOQ equals 2 times angle APQ, which equals to 240 degrees. From isosceles triangle AOQ angle AOQ equals 120 degrees. Let AB equals to area. A1 equals 2 times the product of the square of line OA and 1 minus cosine 120 degrees. This implies that A1 equals 2 times the square of 2 multiplied by 1 plus half, which equals to 12 square units. Therefore, A1 equals 12 square units. This implies that area of sector QOB A2 equals 60 degrees times pi multiplied by the square of r, all divided by 360 degrees, which equals to 2 times pi, all divided by 3 in square units. Therefore, area of red region equals the sum of A1 and A2, which equals 1/3 of the sum of 36 and 2 times pi in square units.